Do you know that animating your video will make your video look more professional and people will like to watch your video because it will keep them engaged? Okay, so just check out this.
For serious people only. So take the advantage now with 1K only. Don't miss.
So this is what you benefit at the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to animate any video using a simple method that anyone can learn. Okay, so stay connected as we dive in. So if you are new here, I'm Miracle Updates. In this channel I teach simple editing tricks and editing mistake you should avoid to keep your video professional. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial right now. So we are going to use ucut to achieve this. This is ucut over here. Once you have the app, click on it, then wait for it to open. Once it open, click on the plus icon over here, then new project, then import the video you want to work with. Okay, so I'll be using this video over here, so I'll tap on it and I'll tap on this arrow to add it up. So this is the video, so let me play the video right now.
For serious people only. So take the advantage now with 1K only. Don't miss.
So do you see that the video is without any edit? Okay, so let's start with animating the beginning of this video and also the ending of this video. So this is how to do it in a simple method. Tap on the clip, the video clip. Once you tap on it, slide to the left. Okay, you'll see animation, then click on it. You can see several types of animation you add to the video. Okay, but one thing you should know is that whenever you are adding an animation to a video, make sure that it match the video. Okay, so I want to add a fade in at this beginning and also a fade out at the ending. So I'll click on this fade in. Yeah, this is what I want. So this time over here is the time that the animation will take place. Okay, if you want it to waste time, you can increase it, but if you want it to be fast, you can decrease it. So let's leave it at 0.8. 0.8 is perfect. Then let me add for the ending. Click on this out over here. This is the ending part of the video, so I will also add fade out. Okay, so the fade out time will show over here, so I love it being 0.5 seconds. Okay, so after choosing an animation you want, then click on this check mark over here to save the work. Okay, so let me play the video now from the beginning so you see the effect. Wow, can you see it? So let's see the ending right now. Do you see the ending? This is so awesome. Okay, so another thing is that let's add a text and also animate it. Okay, so click on the text, so you can write any text you want. Okay, I'll just write a random text for the purpose of this video. Okay, so once you added a text, you slide again to animation, click on it, then you will see the animation that is available for this type of element, which is the text. Okay, so I'll look for the one that will fit in. Okay, so let me use this zoom out, sorry, zoom in. So this is perfect. Okay, so once you added the text, then you play to see if it's where you wanted. Yeah, so I'm going to drag it to the beginning. Okay,
for serious people only. So take the advantage now.
So I'll also add ending transition in this text. Okay, so go to the animation again, then click on out, also add the one you want. Okay, I love this fade out. So at this ending I want to also add don't miss. okay, as a test. So I'll just click on test and write it up. So this is it, and I'll slide again to the animation and add the animation you want. Okay, so I'll just add this one. Then the out, I'll add this one as the out. Okay, all right, so let me play the video so you see the outcome of it.
Only. So take the advantage now with 1K only.
Don't miss. So do you see how the thing look? It looks so matured than the raw video. So it look more mature this way. Okay,
For serious people only. So take the advantage now with 1K only. Don't.
so one thing you should know about adding animation to a video, make sure that the animation is not too fast. Okay, and also make sure that the time you set match the time of the video clip. Okay, so that it will all appear at the same time. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, and also ask me question in the comment section. Anywhere you got confused, I will answer it all, and also state the next video you would like to watch. Okay, so see you in the next video.